Welcome back everyone to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill and today we're going to be covering a free pair of sneakers that I got on the Adidas app. I'll tell you later in the video how I did that, but this is the Adidas Samba OGs in the clay brown and oat colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and styling segment. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome on in. Be sure to hit that subscribe down below if you're not already subscribed to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxing and reviews. Today we're going to be talking about this pair of sneakers that I've done the silhouette before on, but just not this specific colorway. These are the Samba OGs in this really nice neutral clay brown and oat colorway. All right, so first we'll go through the overview of these, then we'll jump into size and fit, followed by how I style this nice neutral tone and colorway. Then we'll conclude with how I got these for free. Let's jump right into it. All right, so as far as the Samba OG silhouette goes, this is still a super trendy sneaker silhouette that I've seen on foot on pretty much every other person here in New York City. This seems to be just a staple sneaker, and it doesn't really honestly matter which colorway. I've seen everyone wearing just a simple white black tone to brighter shades in the summertime, but I was really in love with these ones just because of its monochromatic look and feel. So as far as the texture on this is fully covered in a suede texture. All of my Sambas have more of a two-tone finish, while this one is pretty simple with just this nice clay brown oat color scheme for the suede texture. The suede is a little bit more on the rougher side, but you do see hints of this kind of yellow butter tone that goes on the seams here, and you can kind of see it on the inside of the stripes. But other than that, that's the only kind of pop of color you see on top of that clay brown hue. As far as laces go, super monochromatic as well. You're just getting that same kind of color and finish that you see on the suede. And then we've got the same exact material on the tongue here, as well as that same color scheme. And then we've got the Adidas logo and branding in that nice gold material. Let's take a look at those details, then move along to the side panels. All right, so as far as the side panels go, again, something that's quite unusual with this pair that I don't have with my other pairs is the stripes are the same exact color scheme as the underlaid material. So you're still getting that clay brown on the stripes. So it almost kind of looks invisible, which I kind of like. It's not too in your face branding. And the same exact color scheme on the lateral side as the medial side. And then we've got the Samba debossed here in a kind of lighter shade of that tan finish, more of the oatmeal colorway. Then the interior, we have a nice simple neutral tan color scheme for the leather on the collar, And then you can see that there is a bit more of a distressed look and feel on these. So you can see that on the tongue here with that exposed leather and that same butter tone that you saw on the other parts of the sneaker. Here on the stripes, you can see it, as well as on the inner portion of where the eyelets are. Then the insole is in white and that clay brown colorway. The sneaker's then finished off with a super neutral and simple gum bottom, which blends quite nicely, and the same for the outsole. All right, let's take a look at those last and final details. Size and fit goes, for my Samba OGs, I typically actually size down half a size to a size 7. I'm typically a 7.5, which is a woman's size 9, but I do feel like with Adidas silhouettes, I tend to size down. It just seems to work a little bit better. But again, most of their silhouettes that I have in my collection are quite narrow. So if you have wider feet, do take that into consideration, because you may actually just need to stick to size or size up. All right, so now let's talk about styling. Again, I just think this is a great neutral pair of sneakers to have in your collection. This is something you can honestly wear all year round. This is not just, I feel like, a seasonal color scheme. So for my different looks, I kept it pretty simple and neutral in tone and finish. For the first look, I decided to wear a simple oversized white t-shirt with some nice neutral cream pants.
Thinking about you, like I'm thinking about you, taking it slow. Are you craving me, baby? Like I'm craving you, like I'm craving you. I got to know. Is there something underneath the fire? Are you dancing with another liar? I got to know. Is there something underneath the fire? Are you dancing with another liar?
Then for the second look, I dressed up a little bit with a black and white toned maxi dress.
Now who's got the power? Under the darkness I find my way, flirting with desire. Now I'm making you wait. You're hanging on every word I say. Tell me what I wanna hear. I know you're dying to get some more, so every second, baby.
And then for the last, I wore a nice, just casual nylon jumpsuit in a nice chocolatey brown tone.
I'm here, I'm digging deeper, so tell me, girl, I got to know. Are you thinking about me, like I'm thinking about you, like I'm thinking about you, taking it slow? Are you craving me, baby, like I'm craving you, like I'm craving you? I got to know. Is there something underneath the fire? I think we got to the good part. This life is a work of art. Me and my friends are dancing to music as sunlight's climbing through the trees. And it feels just like the start of the summer. There's life in them, they fall for each other. I think we're on to something radical, like supernova magical. Here we go. I feel it in my heart beating. I feel it in my heart beating. I feel it in my heart
part where how I got this pair of sneakers for free. So as far as your Adidas points go, hopefully you're keeping tabs and keeping track on those, because I just realized too they do expire. But I was able to use up all of my points in order to snag this pair, which retails at $100. So definitely keep an eye on items that you're able to secure through using your points on the Adidas app. And you, if you hopefully have enough points, would be able to snag a pair of these as well. All right, everyone, that is it for this unboxing and review. If you joined us for the first time, thank you so much. Be sure to hit that subscribe down below if you're not already subscribed to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxing and styling segments. My name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We'll catch you all on the next episode.